going on, guys? So today I have this roof rack crossbar that's gonna be going on my 15 Ford Focus, and it is from LED KindomUS, something like that. And it's almost universal for cars that have a span of 43 inches max, from this little black part of the roof to that black part of the roof. So as long as you have 43 inches between there, this rack should fit. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside the box. Alright, so inside the box we have the installation manual, which we'll probably need in a little bit. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna come with a few parts. And then we have the actual parts, the crossbars right here. And then we have some hardware. We got some hardware for the bars, the other side. And then we have some, what are these, end caps? No, these are the actual, the ones that go under your door jambs. So I'm gonna start assembling parts together, and then I'll let you guys know what goes with what. Alright guys, so first things first, you want to insert the little legs that go on the crossbar, which is this leg, and it comes with this little semi-rounded washer and a nut. So what you want to do is put something on there so this screw doesn't move. Then you want to slip on your piece with the flat edge towards the inside of the bar, like so. And then put in your washer and your nut and tighten those down. After that, you're going to put the rubber cover that goes on top of this, which is going to sit on the roof of your car so it doesn't scratch. Alright, so before you completely tighten this down, then you can adjust them. Make sure you bring them over to your car and set them roughly where they're gonna go, so you can get a rough idea of the space that you're gonna give them, and so this legs can be adjusted before you completely tighten them down, because then you won't be able to swivel them to give you that good curve. So bring them over and do this, and once you have them in there, then you're gonna be able to adjust them and tighten them down completely, and then add the covers to them. Alright, so you have two types of little brackets that are attached to your doors jambs. These are real small ones for, I'm guessing, more pronounced roofs. If you can imagine the roof of your car coming like this, it's gonna grab onto where your door closes. So if your roof is that pronounced, or if it has more of a less pronounced curve. Wait, I think those are the same. Those are the same, my bad. Or if it has a less pronounced curve, like so, which is, these ones are the ones that I'm using on the Focus. So this, you're gonna grab one of these little metal things, and it has those ears. Those ears are gonna go into there, and they only go one way, so there's really no way to mess them up. They only go one way, and then they're gonna lay flat. So let me show you guys. Let me put one on, and then I'll show you. Alright, so you're gonna slide it into the top first, and it's got two separate areas, and then slide it in back, and then twist it to get it in there, and it's gonna sit like this. And then you're gonna want to insert this little boot that it comes with. That'll cover, whoops, if it goes in right, it'll cover that part, and this is just going to slide into one of the ends of those bars. So let's put it on there. Alright, so to open up the things where those metal pieces are going to slide into, you have to insert the key and turn it counterclockwise, and it should release. And this is your ratchet that you're gonna be ratcheting, and you're gonna insert that middle piece down here. And to release it, there's the black little lever right here. Sorry, right here. It's kind of tricky. You have to play with it, but it has to be on this up position, and this lever has to be almost closed, and then you'll be able to release your bar in case you went in too far before you even insert the whole thing. So let me show you. My mistake, it has to be on the down position in order for you to release it. So like right now it's on the up position, and I can't pull this thing in even if this one's closer down. So if I put it down, let's see if I could do that. Yeah, down, close this a little bit, and then you'll be able to slide this one out. So you want to put it in just halfway through or so, release it, and that doesn't come off. Then do the same for the other side, and then put them on your roof and start ratcheting them down. Alright, so I have it down. I did ratchet them down. That's as tight as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna put it down. Sometimes you have to play with this lock. It doesn't like to play fair. You have to push it down, and then here's probably one of the trickiest parts, trying to get this thing and the key out so this thing doesn't come off anymore. And it's on there. It's on there. It's rated for 165 pounds, but you guys can see how it mounts. And then the door closes fine. Same with the one in the front. You guys can see its mounting position. Let's get a little further back. You guys can see how it looks. So since we're going on vacation, not pretty soon, but in a couple months, it's gonna come handy because we usually take my truck, and since now we have another baby, no more people can fit with me, so we're gonna take the little car, save on gas. So I am gonna be purchasing another rack that's gonna go on top of this, so I can load it up, the big stroller and stuff like that. But do you guys have it? You guys are interested in purchasing a roof rack? This one's from LED KindomUS, or KindomUS, something like that together. Anyways, it's like 65 bucks. It's pretty easy setup, not too complicated. And well, now you guys have this video so you guys can make it easier on yourselves. Overall, not too bad. Quality's pretty good. Only not so good thing is this locking mechanisms with the key. Sometimes it gets stuck in there. Overall, it's sturdy though. And I'm rocking the whole car, and it's not budging. So there you guys have it. See you guys on the next one.